If pens and markers are taking over your space, you'll want to check out these 3 storage solutions you can make at home. Today's projects are sponsored by sakuraofamerica.com. First up is a zippered pen pouch. A plastic baggie and pattern duct tape make this a quick and cute craft. First, create a label for the pouch. You can write your name or label the contents of the pouch. I'm using Jelly Roll Moonlight pens on black cardstock to match the bright neon pattern on the tape. I love the way the ink pops on dark surfaces. Cut out the label. Trim off the bottom third of a quart-size zipper baggie. Cut a piece of duct tape about 4 inches longer than the length of the baggie. Adhere to the baggie, overlapping the bottom edge of the label and extending at least a 1/4 inch past the bottom of the baggie. Flip to the back. Cut small diagonal slits in the tape to the corners of the baggie. This will allow us to fold up the tape neatly. Fold the bottom edge of the tape upward and adhere. Then fold in the tape along each side edge. Add the next piece of tape below the zipper. Continue adding and folding the tape until the front is covered. Then cover the back side, cutting the tape to fit the length of the bag.
I don't feel afraid to innovate. Don't miss a chance to be creative. Don't. Why don't I try this at home? Try this at home.
Fill the pouch with pens. This pen pyramid can be used for either horizontal or vertical storage. Divide an empty wrapping paper tube into 4.5 inch segments using a utility knife and cutting mat. For safety reasons, position yourself so that you're not cutting directly towards your body. I got 6 segments from one tube. You could also try using toilet paper rolls, which are a good length to start with, but I found the cardboard from my wrapping paper was sturdier. Sand down the rough cut edges. Color one ring on each tube for easier pen sorting. I'm using Permapaque markers, which have a paint-like ink that shows up well on this cardboard. Wrap each tube in wrapping paper. Stack the tubes in a pyramid, securing with hot glue. Be sure the colored rings are facing the same direction. Finally, place the pyramid vertically on a sheet of cardstock and trace. Cut out and adhere to the bottom using hot glue. You can add extra tubes to make it as big as you'd like. Personalize your workspace with a pretty pot, sprouting with colorful pens. I'm using my Permapaque markers for this project too. They come in a large size with dual point nibs, as well as a smaller size with a finer nib. Decorate your pot to fit your decor. Consider adding stripes, dots, or flowers. Fill the pot with pebbles. If your pot has a hole at bottom, tape it closed before filling. I bought a bag of polished pebbles at the dollar store. It would also be fun to fill it with colorful aquarium gravel. Which pen storage project do you like best? For more info on Jelly Roll Moonlight pens and Permapaque markers, check out my sponsor, sakuraofamerica.com.
Try this at home.